How to use Zara gift card online. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily use or redeem your Zara e-gift card online. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up the Zara app and wait for it to load. And once you are in the Zara app, first add the products that you want to buy to your bag. And after you have added the products to your bag, here tap on your bag in the bottom right corner. Then here you will see all of the products. Now here tap on continue. Then here again tap on continue. Then here again tap on here use this address. Then you will be taken to this screen, choose a payment method. Then here you have to scroll down and here you will see gift card option. Tap on it. Then here tap on add a gift card. Then if you want you can scan the gift card. If you don't want to scan the gift card, you can tap here on the keyboard icon and then tap here and enter the gift card code manually and then tap on check. And so this is how you can use Zara gift card online. Thanks for watching.